Okay, today we're going to look at a percentage increase or increasing by a particular percentage. We need to know for this, first of all, how to convert our percentages into decimal fractions. So let's just get started. First of all, just need to recap that these few little things. Let's say 100% is the equivalent of saying 1.0 or 1.00 or whatever it is in decimals. You could carry on with the zeros afterwards. That, for example, 20% is 0.2 as a decimal fraction, or 0.20. It's always good form just to have it as 0.2. That 2% would be the equivalent of saying 0.02 as a decimal fraction. Now, as long as you're comfortable with this whole task is not going to be a problem. So, we're going to look at the quick method of doing this, and it's going to be a neat little strategy here. So you should already know how to find a percentage of an amount, and you should already be able to increase something by that percentage amount. This video is just going to be a quick strategy for doing that. First of all, you're going to work out as a percentage what you'll have at the end after the increase. Well, you start off with 100% of your investment or your value, which is the £400, and you're going to increase it by 7%, so you're going to add on 7%. So what you'll end up with is 107% of what you started with. Happy? Now, once you've got 107%, what you need to do is you need to turn it into decimal. So 107% as a decimal is 1.07. Now, to use this in a calculation, all we do is we take our £400 and we multiply it by 1.07. And we'll get our solution, which is £428. So the key thing here for you guys to realise is that you're turning, find out what the new value will be as a percentage, which is what your original value was, 100%, the full amount, plus the 7%, which means that you're left with 107%. 107% as a decimal is 1.07. So then you just do 400 times 1.07 and you get the new amount. Let's look at these examples. Another couple of examples. I'm going to break it down a little bit quicker though each time. So that means we're taking 100%, we're adding 3% because we're getting 3% more, which is the same as saying 103%. And as a decimal, that would be 1.03. So to find out what 103% of 600 is, we do 600 times 1.03. And we get 618 pence. 3. Increase £2,000 by 4.25%. So what we have to do here is we have to say, well, our original amount was 100% of what we had. We're adding on 4.25%. So we end up with 104.25 of what we had. As a decimal, that would be 1.0425. And if we increase £2,000 by that, we do 2,000 times 1.0425, and we'll get our answer. So let's just do that quickly here. So we get £2,085. So that's how you increase by a percentage amount nice and quickly using decimals. Have a go at these 3 questions for me. And here are your solutions. Notice that I've done all the calculation in my head. I've just done straight to what I'm multiplying a decimal amount by. Make sure you're comfortable with that. And this is a really straightforward way of increasing by a percentage, and allows us to move on to compound interest, which we'll find out about more later.